Hey everyone, welcome back to English Easily Speak.
Today we're talking about something very real, very emotional,
Not grammar, not vocabulary.
but love and relationships.
You'll learn how to speak naturally in real-life situations.
So relax, listen, and repeat with us.
Let's start simple. How do you tell someone you like them?
Good question. There are many ways to say it in English. The most basic one is, I like you.
Yes, very simple and very common.
If you want to sound a little stronger, you can say, I really like you.
That shows more emotion.
Explanation.
So what's the difference? I like you, simple, friendly. I really like you, stronger feeling.
Exactly. Stronger feelings.
Now, if your feelings are deeper, you can say, I have feelings for you.
This sounds more serious and emotional.
Yes, you usually say this when you want to be honest.
Soft and natural expressions. If you don't want to sound too strong, try this. I enjoy spending time with you.
This is very natural in real conversations.
Yes, and it feels comfortable and warm. Mini dialogue 1.
Let's see how it sounds in a real situation.
I'll start. I enjoy spending time with you.
Really? I feel the same. I really like you.
That's so nice to hear.
Repeat slowly.
I like you.
Now it's your turn. Repeat slowly. I like you. I really like you.
I enjoy spending time with you. I have feelings for you. Listen again and try to understand the feeling. I like you. I really like you. I have feelings for you.
Notice how the emotion becomes stronger each time. Let's try another conversation. I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
I have feelings for you.
Wow, thank you for telling me. I really like you too. Here are some more natural expressions. I feel happy when I'm with you. You make me smile. I like talking to you. These are very common in daily English. Repeat after us. I feel happy when I'm with you. You make me smile. I like talking to you. Target real-life tip. Important tip. Don't speak too fast. Yes, speak slowly and clearly. And use a soft voice. Because tone is very important in English. Mini dialogue 3. Cafe scene. Imagine you're in a cafe. You're talking to someone you like. What do you say? You can start like this. I like talking to you. Or, you make me feel comfortable. That's very natural and polite. Final practice. Let's practice one last time with emotion. I like you. I really like you. I have feelings for you. I enjoy spending time with you.
Now imagine you're in a cafe.
You're sitting with someone you like.
Maybe you feel a little nervous.
And you're thinking, what do I say next? Start simple.
Don't worry, start simple. What do you do for fun?
This is a very safe and natural question.
Yes, everyone can answer it.
Another good question. What kind of music do you like?
This helps you find common interests.
Simple compliments.
You can also give a small compliment. You have a great smile.
This is friendly, not too strong.
And it makes the other person feel comfortable.
Mini dialogue 1.
Let's try a real conversation.
I'll start. What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually watch movies or go outside. What about you?
I like cooking, especially with someone special.
Oh, really? Maybe I should join you sometime.
Repeat after us. Now repeat after us. What do you do for fun? What kind of music do you like?
You have a great smile. Keep the conversation going. Now the most important thing. Don't stop the conversation.
Yes, ask follow-up questions.
For example, really? Why do you like that?
How often do you do that?
That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Mini dialogue 2. Let's continue a conversation. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice. Who is your favorite singer?
I like many artists. What about you?
I like relaxing music. It helps me feel calm.
Here are some natural phrases. That sounds nice. That's interesting. Really?
These help you sound more natural. Repeat. That sounds nice. That's interesting. Really?
Don't forget to share about yourself, too. I like watching movies. I enjoy traveling. I love trying new food.
Simple sentences are perfect.
Let's imagine a real date conversation.
I'll start. What do you do in your free time?
I usually read books or watch movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic and comedy movies.
That's great. We should watch one together sometime.
Here's a very important tip. Don't try to be perfect.
Yes, just be natural.
Even simple English is enough.
When you feel nervous. If you feel nervous, try these. That's a good question. Let me think. I'm not sure, but
These give you time to think.
practice. Confidence. Repeat. Let me think. I'm not sure, but that's a good question.
Let's try one more. What do you do for fun?
Let me think. I like listening to music and relaxing.
That sounds nice. What kind of music?
Mostly soft music. It helps me relax.
I like that too. We have something in common.
That's the goal.
Yes, connection is more important than perfect English.
Repeat with confidence. What do you do for fun? What kind of music do you like?
You have a great smile. That sounds nice.
Now let's go deeper. How do you express emotions in English?
Good question. When you want to talk about real feelings, you can use simple but powerful sentences. You can say, I feel happy when I'm with you. I feel safe when I talk to you.
These are very strong sentences.
Yes, because they show real emotion, not just words.
Let's understand them. I feel happy when I'm with you. You enjoy their presence. I feel safe when I talk to you. You trust them.
Trust is very important in relationships.
Now, what if someone is not with you?
You can say, I miss you.
Very simple, but very emotional.
Or a little softer, I've been thinking about you.
This means the person is in your mind often.
Let's try a real situation. I've been thinking about you lately.
Really? That's nice to hear. I miss you too.
I feel happy when I talk to you.
Me too. You make me feel comfortable. Repeat slowly with feeling. I feel happy when I'm with you. I feel safe when I talk to you.
I feel happy when I'm with you. I feel safe when I talk to you. I miss you. I've been thinking about you.
Here are more natural emotional phrases. You mean a lot to me. I care about you. You make me feel special.
These are very common in real life.
Let's continue. I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
You mean a lot to me.
That's really sweet. I care about you too. Mind how his sound natural.
Important tip. Don't rush. Speak slowly,
Use a soft tone.
because emotions need time.
Try these. I enjoy being with you. I feel comfortable around you. I like talking to you.
These are softer, but still meaningful. Repeat. You mean a lot to me. I care about you. I feel comfortable with you. Imagine a quiet moment.
You want to express your feelings. I feel safe when I'm with you.
That means a lot to me.
I really care about you.
I care about you too. Remember, you don't need big words.
Simple English is powerful.
Emotion is more important than grammar.
Let's practice one last time. I miss you. I've been thinking about you.
I feel happy when I'm with you. You mean a lot to me.
Love is not always easy,
Yes, sometimes relationships have problems.
and it's important to know how to talk about these situations in English, talking about problems.
You can say, we are having a difficult time. We are not getting along.
These are very common and natural expressions, meaning, let's understand them. We are having a difficult time. Things are not going well. We are not getting along. You argue or disagree.
Yes, it means there is tension in the relationship. Many dialogue 1. Let's see how it sounds. How are things with you two?
Honestly, we are having a difficult time.
I understand. Are you okay?
We're trying, but we are not getting along lately.
Breaking up love. Now, what if the relationship ends? You can say, we broke up.
Very simple and very common.
Or a softer way. I think we need some time apart.
This sounds more polite and respectful.
Many dialogue 2. Let's try a breakup conversation.
I think we need to talk.
Okay, what's wrong?
I think we need some time apart.
I understand. Maybe it's for the best.
Here are more expressions. We argue a lot. Things are not the same. I feel unhappy.
These help you express your feelings clearly. Repeat after us. We are having a difficult time. We are not getting along.
We broke up. I think we need some time apart. Expressing feelings after problems.
After problems, you may feel sad. You can say, I feel hurt. I feel confused. I need some space.
These are honest and natural. Let's try another situation. Are you okay?
Not really. I feel hurt.
Do you want to talk about it?
Maybe later. I need some space.
Idea important tip.
Very important. Be calm when you speak.
Yes, don't use aggressive language. English conversations are often polite. Instead of saying something strong, try, I don't feel comfortable. I think something is wrong. I need time to think. These sound respectful and mature. Let's try a calm discussion. I don't feel comfortable lately. I understand. What's bothering you? I think something is wrong between us. Let's talk and fix it together. Repeat with emotion. We are having a difficult time. We are not getting along. I feel hurt. I need some space.
Let's finish with something positive. Compliments. You look great today. You make me happy. I appreciate you.
You could also say, you're amazing. I'm proud of you.
For long-term love, we've been through a lot together. Our love is getting stronger.
And a very strong sentence. I can't imagine my life without you.
Final practice. Repeat with emotion. I love you. I care about you. You make me happy. I'm thankful for you.
Great job today.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to speak from your heart.
Practice every day and use these sentences in real life.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Easily Speak.
Share this lesson with someone you care about.
See you next time.